Hello, I'm showing you TAGRY wireless earbuds. What comes in this box is this charging case. Inside are the earbuds. There's one of them. You get a charging cord and you plug it in at the bottom of the case. If you plug it into an electrical outlet, you will need to get a charging block, an adapter. Also in the box, you have extra ear tips. I believe it's the medium size that is already on the earbuds when you get them. So one of these pairs should be small and one large. The ones that are on the earbuds don't feel very comfortable, then you can always switch them out with a different size. Also, you get a user manual, and remember to activate the lifetime warranty. That's quite a warranty. I'm showing you the user manual so that you can just come back to this video anytime and pause it and look at the manual if you want to. Sometimes we lose these little manuals, so I think it's a good idea to have it on the video. Thanks to TAGRY for sending me these earbuds to try. I had never tried earbuds, so this is a whole new experience for me. So far, I really like them. They were easy to set up and so comfortable to wear, I forget I have them on. Here's the case. It has a great feature on the front. It shows the percentage of time left. This one's charged to 99%. And then below that, there's two columns. This one on the left is for the left earbud. The other one's for the right earbud. And it just shows that those are charging. This is a really nice feature to be able to see how much charge is left. To pair these to the phone, you open the case and remove one or both. Then you open your phone to Bluetooth settings. Turn it on and look for X08. Tap that and the earbuds are instantly paired. After the first time, the earbuds will be instantly connected when you open the case. Place in your ear. Mine were immediately so comfortable, but if you need a different size ear tip, there are 3 different sizes, so you can change it. To answer a phone call, just double tap on either earbud. You tap it right on this part. To reject a call, long tap and it will be disconnected. Check the owner's manual for other taps for listening to music. You can wear these while working out. They are sweat-proof and IPX5 waterproof. Besides your phone, you can connect to other Bluetooth devices like a laptop or TV. I definitely recommend these TAGRY wireless earbuds.